A barber fell from the third floor after being shot several times. Yo, what that a trend? Oh, the trend did dance. What go on people back with another video, please considering subscribing all new viewers and click the notification bell to not miss out. Welcome back people, bless upon yourself. So a barber fell from the third floor right after being shot several times, and the barber that fell has been rushed to the hospital after being shot several times, then falling from a 3-story down a plaza in Port Henderson, Portmore in the parish. As he pray guys. So people where did they on scene had video the dog which him never really fully gone. You see me as yet, but I see some people have video the man, and the man did actually dip on the ground and move a battle little. I never really did like that, you see me. And me have the video, the file, you see me, but it kinda sensitive content, so when I go play it, so me I go really inform upon what really go down, you see it, or go up. But in other case, I literally go down, you see it. So them hear at least a dozen loud explosion near the plaza, you see me. So reports are that after receiving several shots inside a bar on the third floor, the barber fell from the third floor, landing in front of the Spanish Town grain meat outlet. So the killer where do this, people say me that wear a hoodie, then walk down the flight of stairs, you see it. So they must say rush go down the stairs, cross the Port Henderson main road and escape in a waiting motor car. The meat outlet has since been closed. So one of them little meat place there, you see me. Differently from that, the barber work at a salon on the third floor of the Henderson Plaza beside the bar where the shooting happened. And I gotta tell you, you can see say the dog work this because it's a plaza. You see me. So and that really happened though guys. I don't know if it involved in or nothing, you see me, or whatsoever, but in a sense when I watch the video, them coulda, you see me, prevent him from even dead. I'm not sure if him dead, but I see him on the ground be blood, and them say him drop from, you see me, third floor after being shot several times. So that was very, very serious guys. Share your comment thoughts below, tell me what to pray. You see me, as in where you feel about the happenings, you see me.
Who are gonna stop you more than you? The only person can stop you is you. You take these things serious and people try to stop you. Then you're gonna stop yourself. You just have to love yourself and continuously making it.
So you have to really love music,
yeah,
love yourself, and keep on going no matter what.
You don't really have to love music. I'm born in a music. I am music.
Exactly. I like that.
Yeah, so you not really have to love music. I am music.
Yeah man people, so being a man with the word encouragement to Amari, DJ Anna Mona Lisa or Mona Lisa, whatever the weird looking girl they want name. Anyways, I'm showing her the picture so I know her differently still. So she link up being a man the other day, right? And it seems like them would have a local, vibe or whatever them want to have a go on, you see me. But see the being a man with the word of encouragement guys, you see me. So we just want to share that one of the said way, because enough things that take place in Jamaica right now, you see me. People are make links. Yeah man people, but differently, say when we really did want to get involved in other vlogger and that a Tommy Lee, you see me. So Tommy Lee has been locked up for a good period of time. So let's say around 3 weeks or more. So the latest news about Tommy Lee and him release from prison was that alright, so it was like this last week. We're actually in a new week already. So last week Tommy Lee did get released from prison. So then we'd have this case where we would have go to court or one of them it not come like the Q&A different a sense where him would have got a quote, you see me, so forget the charge or if him free or not, you see me. So big one thing that did for me from week before last week again, you get me. And when me look on everything, like them way there, me have to wonder if them know say the dog not guilty and just a hold on upon him for the time being. Cause I know them style there, you see me guys. And the main reason why I even vlog about this is because all of we are human, and guess what? Nobody would feel comfortable and live them life and end up in a jail. Nobody no want in a jail just this. When I ask that, nobody at all not want in a jail. Anybody in a jail, I know them want come out. You see me? So the dog there and as a celebrity or a representative for Jamaica said we, he no look good. And them need to acknowledge them thing that the dog good innocent. When I ask, I not Addy innocent. I tell me innocent that one, you see me? So dog is supposed to get released anytime soon. You see me? Cause as far as I see them have no up against panda artists. You see me? And as I said before, I saw the system stay, you see me? And when I like that, so we have to fight for justice then the idea, you see me? Cause it can't happen to anybody else, you see me? And I know people that get locked up, like get charged, and they are jail for 60 years. Come out all, you see me? And when I say them come out all, but the case with them depend 60 years after them I say, them a find out say, you see me, the person never guilty. And I like them something there. And the reason why me even not talk about it because I see it happen regular. You see me? Same like when somebody would say somebody ever tell lie upon you yet and I know you know that feeling that you see me worse if there's a person who take things very seriously, I tell you that rest upon your mind, man. You see me? Yeah man. But the dog so come and road, remember that, cause them money right now, what them I go charge him for? But I like for know. Cause when I know about no witness or none of them something, you know them way there. Yeah man people, so at the end of the video this, please consider and like, subscribe, share and bless up on yourself. You see me? Out there.